Hello and welcome to another episode in Curiosity Classroom, where we learn all types of stuff. So today we're going to be learning how to add negative numbers. So let's just look at this expression, which is negative 5 plus negative 27. So to do this, we need to know what is absolute value. So let's just learn what absolute value is first. So let's just say absolute value is basically the opposite of the negative number. So if I say negative 2, and now I want to find the absolute value of negative 2, what I'm going to do is put these lines up there like that, and we're going to just say it's 2. So basically, the negative 2 in absolute value is true, but you don't get to the opposite. So if I say the absolute value of 2, you do not say negative 2. This is wrong. You always say a negative number to positive. You never say that to a positive number to a negative. But if you want to find the absolute value of a positive number, it is always positive. So the meaning of absolute value is when a negative number becomes a positive number, that is the absolute value. So let's just take another example. Let's say negative is absolute value. So pause this video and make sure you answer this question. So I'll give you 2 seconds, pause this video and answer this question. Go! Right, you paused it? Great job. I think you know the answer for now. So the answer is 3. Great job if you got it. So there we go. We found this. So since we know how to do absolute values, now let's see how to find the sum of this expression. So let's just represent this negative 5 plus negative 27 into a number line. So let's say, let's take this number line and let's say 0 is over here. Then let's say negative 5 is over here. So 0 is like the negative numbers are always towards the left side of 0. So the absolute, so when you find how much it goes down by, it is the absolute value of the number that you're going down by. So now we're going down by 5. So this line here is going down by 5. So you never take negative numbers when you're going down. You always take positive numbers when you're going down. And you also take positive numbers when you're going up on a number line. So when you're using a number line, there are no negative numbers when you're counting up here. So this one is always a positive. So like that, let's also find it for negative 27. So negative 27, let's draw a number line. So let's say 0 is over here. And let's say there is negative 27 over there. So to solve this, you're going to take the absolute value of this negative 27 like that. So there you go. So at the always the absolute value of this number. So this number is going to be 27. So now to solve this, you're basically going to be adding these numbers. So where you're going to take these two, so negative 5 plus, and then it's going to be a minus 27. So if you don't know what is PEMDAS, so PEMDAS is what is being used to solve this. So yeah, so PEMDAS is parentheses and so on. So I'll be explaining that in the next video. So in the end of this video, make sure to check out that video to understand this video in full. So now it's going to be negative 5 plus, in parentheses, minus negative 27. So to find out that, you're going to basically add you're just going to be adding 27 plus 5. So you're getting 32. And since there are more numbers with a negative sign, you're going to be doing, it's going to be a negative 32. So minus, you're adding, but these two numbers are in negative forms. So that's how this works. So like that, let's do another problem. There we go. We have another problem the same way. So this problem is negative 10 plus, in parentheses, negative 29, and you're ending the parentheses there, and plus, and again parentheses, negative 24. And again, you end the parentheses over there. So let's just find how to do this. So let's just use the same method that we did for the first problem. So first, we're going to draw our number line. So our number line, there we go. We got the number line like that. And you're going to add 2 lines like that. So always when you're using a number line, always add arrow marks in the end. So now let's just say this is 0 and this is negative 10. And I always get asked, why do we use parentheses like this? So why do we use parentheses over here and also not for this, like that? The reason we don't use for the first one, but like for the rest of that, is because in the first one, we do not have any symbol to make it confusing. But here we have a plus, and you have a negative sign. So what you usually get confused when there are 2 signs and you do not know what to do. But in a later video, we're going to talk about how to remove parentheses and solve the expression. So yeah, that's the answer for that. And now let's just move on to answering the sum. So let's solve the sum. So as I said, you're going to be finding the absolute value. So you're going to take that like that. So it's always the absolute value of negative 10, which is going to be 10. And you have to find another number line, or you have to do another number line. So yeah, let's just draw another line and another line because there are 2 more. Always draw arrows. Always draw arrows. Don't not forget the arrows because they're very important. And now let's just say zeros over here. So I'm talking about negative 29 in this one. So this is going to be negative 29. And here it's going to be negative 29 for now. So let's just say that's negative 29. It is always the absolute value of that. So it's going to be 29. So going down here, it's going to be 29. And the answer is 29 in that. So yeah, let's just solve the next one. It's going to be 0 over here. Negative 24. And now we're going to be going down 24, which is going to be 24 top. And we have to just add negative 10 plus negative 49 plus negative 34. So what you're going to do is basically just add these 10 plus 29 plus playing coal. So you're going to get 63. So that's the input. And now, since we found that out, we're going to just put a negative sign up there and just say negative 10 plus negative 29 plus negative 24 equals negative 63. There we go. We just learned how to solve negative numbers or adding negative numbers, and we learned how to solve absolute values. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe. And I will be posting new videos every week. So thank you for that by hitting the bell icon on the channel and just on the channel description. So yeah, thank you for watching and meet you in the next one. I'm Koju, and thank you for watching. Bye!